Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can listen to music together on Spotify. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, the first thing would be simply opening up your Spotify app on your phone. Now right from there, so you can simply go ahead, tap on the playlist that you would like to share. If you do that, you're gonna find plenty of options including plus, download, and this three dot. Tap on it. Now the thing is, you're supposed to be accessing a option of a group session, which lets you and simply lets your friend join by scanning the QR code, and you will be able to listen to it together. Will work for any podcast as well. But the main thing is you have to access the premium purchase, including getting the option of downloading the playlist and listening it ad-free. You will be able to finally enclose this option of jamming together with your friends by accessing the option of group session. So make sure to get the premium subscription of Spotify and tap on three dot and choose the option and share the QR, and you're good to go. So basically that is the way you do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.